Did you know the average American is currently paying over 19% interest on credit card debt?
Is a wealth killer. But according to Bankrate's April 2026 data, there is a side door that most people are missing.
Stop donating your paycheck to credit card companies. In 2026, the average credit card APR is still hovering near 24%.
This isn't a guess. I've tracked 3 specific platforms that are using alternative data to lower your rates.
They don't just look at FICO, they use AI to factor in your education and work history.
Upstart is currently the leader here, because they use AI to look at your education and job history instead of just a FICO score. If you have a score above 680, you can also look at SoFi or Lending Club, which are hovering between 7% and 9% with 0 origination fees.
To get these rates, you need to use a soft pull pre-qualification. This allows you to see your rate without a hard hit to your credit report.
Check the debt-to-income ratio on your dashboard. If it's under 35%, you are in the golden zone for that 6.20% rate.
Stop donating your hard-earned money to the big banks. Use these AI tools to consolidate your debt today. I've broken down the links